What's up guys, I'm Ahmed for Waqzite, and in today's video we will be creating this kind of cover photo for your Twitter profile. This design is fully customizable. You can change the position of the lights, you can change its color, you can replace your photo, and you can also do some more customization. So if you don't want to follow this complete tutorial, you can download the project file or template absolutely for free just by clicking on the link in the video description. Now let's jump to the video and get started. So first of all, open Photoshop and create document. The ratio of Twitter profile is 3:1. So let's go with 1500 by 500 and the resolution is 300 pixel per inch. Now click on create. First of all, drag and drop the model into the Photoshop. Move it to the right side and confirm it. Delete this layer because we don't need it. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and rename it background. Drag this layer beneath the model layer and press Ctrl T to open transform tool. Scale it just like this. And then confirm it. On top of it, let's create new solid color adjustment layer and pick a dark gray color. Hit OK and change its opacity to 90%. Now select the top layer and create a gradient adjustment layer. Click here and select this black and white gradient. Change this color to red. Hit OK. Hit OK again. Change its style to radial. Increase its scale to about 300. Check the reverse and dither option and then hit OK. Change its blend mode to color dodge. Now double click on it to open its property and move it right here. Also rename it red light. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Let's rename it blue light. Double click on it to open its properties. Move it to the top left. Also change its color from red to blue. Hit OK and hit OK again. Now select the type tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type something. This should be your main title. Click on this icon to confirm it. Pick the move tool and align the text into the center. Now select the type tool once again. Click here and type your subtitle. Press Ctrl A to select all and decrease its size. Also change the font style. Go to the paragraph panel and center the text. Go to the character panel and increase its tracking. Confirm it and move it beneath your title. Now it is done. You can also replace your photo. Just double click on this layer. It will open a new document. And here you can replace your photo. So let's drag and drop this image right here. Scale it and then confirm it. Select both layers and merge them together by pressing Ctrl E. Now close the document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. If you want to learn how to create this kind of text design, you can watch this tutorial. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.